Welcome to the next installment of our captivating video series on the art of living. In this episode, we are embarking on a transformative journey into the world of mindfulness, where we will discover the profound impact it can have on our lives. Get ready for an exhilarating exploration of present moment awareness as we dive deep into this ancient practice. Imagine a life where you are fully present, where each moment is savored, and the distractions of the past and future melt away. Embracing mindfulness invites you to step into this extraordinary state of being, where peace, clarity, and deep connection reside. As the video unfolds, prepare to be captivated by the power of mindfulness. Through breathtaking visuals and inspiring narratives, we will delve into practical techniques to cultivate present moment awareness. From mindful breathing exercises to body-scan meditations, we will learn how to anchor ourselves in the here and now, freeing ourselves from the grip of worries and anxieties. Witness the stories of individuals who have embraced mindfulness and experienced remarkable transformations. From CEOs to artists, parents to athletes, their personal journeys will inspire and motivate you to embark on your own path of mindfulness. But mindfulness is not just about being present, it's about embracing life's experiences with open curiosity and non-judgment. It's about noticing the subtleties of each moment, whether it's the taste of a delicious meal, the warmth of the sun on your skin, or the gentle touch of a loved one. In this extended 5 to 6 minute video, we will take you on a whirlwind adventure into the world of mindfulness. We will introduce you to a wider range of mindfulness practices and highlight the incredible benefits they bring, such as reduced stress, enhanced focus, improved relationships, and a deeper sense of joy and fulfillment. Together, we will explore mindfulness in various aspects of life. From mindful eating, where we savor each bite and appreciate the nourishment it provides, to mindful communication, where we listen with presence and respond with intention. We will discover how mindfulness can enrich our work lives, helping us navigate stress, enhance creativity, and cultivate better relationships with colleagues. In addition, we will delve into the scientific research behind mindfulness, exploring how it positively impacts our brain, our emotions, and even our physical health. You will gain a deeper understanding of the neurological and psychological mechanisms that make mindfulness such a powerful tool for personal growth and well-being. Throughout the video, you will have the opportunity to engage in guided mindfulness exercises, allowing you to experience the transformative effects firsthand. Whether it's a guided body scan, a loving-kindness meditation, or a walking meditation in nature, you will have the chance to practice and embody mindfulness in your own life. By the end of this immersive journey, you will not only have a solid foundation in mindfulness practices, but you will also be equipped with practical tips and strategies to integrate mindfulness into your daily routine. You will understand how to bring mindful awareness to ordinary activities, such as washing dishes, commuting, or even waiting in line. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on this extended and transformative journey into the present moment. Let embracing mindfulness be your guide as you unlock the secrets of a more centered, peaceful, and purposeful existence.